Hello, my Sudoku friends. Welcome today. You have a great weekend because it's a Monday. Monday in the daily newspaper of November the 2nd. The 2nd November. Yes, November the 2nd. 2020. We have here a whole page. A regular Sudoku, medium Sudoku, and the other page an additional with Sudokus with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, tectonic number 1, tectonic number 2, and a binary number 1 and a binary number 2. I won't do them all, 4 of them in additional. The 3 stars, 4 stars, 1 tectonic and 1 binary I will do, and of course the regular Sudoku. I will start with this one. Yes, in the weekend on Saturday we have only one regular Sudoku and no additional, no extra Sudoku. So now we have a lot to do, and this one will be a number 1830. Yes, and I've already counted the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits, and the 26, if you compare with the additional, the 1 star Sudoku has 27. This one has 26. 3 stars 25 and 4 stars 24. So this medium Sudoku is a 2 stars Sudoku. Yes, 2 stars Sudoku. Alright, let me position the camera so I can start to solve this medium Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. In this column, one of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 boxes, therefore no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7 in the second column. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7s in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Then 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Those 3 missing numbers in the second column, 1, 2, are the 3, the 6, and the 9. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. Remember that because the other 2, 3, 6, 9, are the 8 and the 1. The 8 and the 1. Let me mark them for you. 8 and the 1. 8 and a 1, so we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, a 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 could be here, could be there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first column, 1, 8. So these 2 should be the 3 and the 9. 3 and the 9. 3 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. It's a pair. So the other 3 numbers. In the third column should be the 6, the 8, and the 5. And look, we have the 6 and the 8 there, so no 6 and the 8 in this column, in this box. The 6 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes, so 1 digit left. In this column should be the number 5. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 2. How about 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers are the 3 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8, and look, we have the 5 and the 8 here, so no 5 and the 8 in this box. The 5 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. And now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 9. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this row, the middle row, for the numbers 5 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them for you. The other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 7 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see here 9, we see there 9, so no 9s in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about this big square? One of the missing number in this big square is the number 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Those 2 boxes in this row are reserved for the 8 and the 3. Let me mark them, 8 and 3. These 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. I see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, the 3 is also missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 could be here, could be there. And the 7, we see here 7, so no 7s in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 2 boxes left in this row, 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. Let me mark them for you. 4 and a 5. 2 boxes left in the middle column for the numbers 1 and 2. 2 we have here. 1 and 6 is missing. Let me mark them. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in this column next, so in that column, the only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so in that column the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here or there. We see here 2, we see there 2, so no 2s in those 2 boxes, 1 box left for the 2 should be there, and all the 2s are used. I can see, yes, 2 numbers left in this column. No, not 2. We have 3 missing numbers here. 6, 5, 9, 3. 4, 4, 4, 4. Now, well. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and 5, 6, 7, and the 9. 4 and the 9, we have a 9 here, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there, 9 in this row, 9 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so in the row below the third row, the only 2 places for the 4. Could be here, could be there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Let me count the 9s, and all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 3, and all the 4s are used. I can not see, yes. We need a 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So this was the last 4. Alright, now we have a 5 here, so this is going to be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 6. And now 2 numbers left in this big square, the 6 and the 3. Let me mark them, 6 and a 3, 6 and a 3. 4, 4, 2, 2, 1, 8 and a 3. Yes. How about 1, 6. So those 3 missing numbers, the 5 is missing. We see here 5, so those 2 boxes should be the 5. The 8 is missing, 8 could be everywhere. And the 3 is missing, 3 could be everywhere. How about those 2, the 1 and the 5 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5. This should be the 5. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 6. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 3. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be an 8. 1 number left in this row for the number 3. 2 boxes. Oh, now we have a 3 here, so this can be 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be an 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 8 and the 3. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finishing 30 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the additional. Bye bye for now.